Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps, and then after this, if you wanna share this folder, maybe it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three dots icon, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the manage access. Okay, you can waiting, and after this, in here you can click on this one to change this access. And after this, in here you just click on the viewers. In here you can this one, click what and you want with the link, and then in here you can click on anyone with the link. Click on anyone with the link and finish. So that's how to make a public Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.